Okay, so in this question, let's have a go at it. It says the states of matter, silicon and gas. What is the name of change when we go from a liquid into a solid? So you think about what this means. Liquid is water, going to solid is ice. So the answer is going to be freezing. The gas is being cooled. So this is starting off here as a gas. Let's put that on here. And the gas was left to cool to form a liquid. So over here, it's actually going to be in its liquid state. And this region in the middle is where it's changing from being a gas to a liquid. So how do you go from a gas to a liquid? You have to cool it and you condense. So this region in the middle, this flat bit, is where the gas is condensing and turning into a liquid. Let's have a look at the questions. It says from A to B, the substance is a gas. From C to D, it's a liquid. State the time when the gas first started to form a liquid. So if we use the graph here to help us, at this point here is when it's first starting to change and become a liquid. So that is going to be at 2 minutes. Calculate the number of minutes it took for the gas to completely form a liquid. So again, if we look here, this is where it stops being a gas and is completely a liquid. So it's taken from 2 minutes all the way up to 6 minutes. So that's going to be 4 minutes in order for that change to have taken place. Next bit, we've got some melting points. Use information to give a substance that is a solid at 20 degrees. So the best way to do this, a way to this is using the number line, if that helps you. I can tell by looking that this one here, it melts at 114. So at 20 degrees, it's going to be a solid, whereas these other ones are all very low melting points, and they'll all be gases at 20 degrees. So the only one that matches is Z. And give a letter which is a liquid at 50 degrees. So again, I'll show you what a number line looks like to help with this. So on a number line, you have the melting point and you have the boiling point. And if I'm going to pick here on Y to show you what it would look like. So it melts at -7 and it boils at 59. So before it melts, this is going to be a solid. Once it's melted, it's a liquid, and after it's boiled, it is a gas. If you look at the question says at 50 degrees. So 50 degrees on my number line is going to be there. And in that case, this is a liquid, and that's what it wants me to have, a liquid at 50 degrees. So the option here, the right answer here, is option Y for that one. And then we've got to match some particle diagrams up. So draw a straight line from each one of these. So solid zinc. Zinc is an element, so expect all the particles to be the same because the elements contain the same type of atom. So the only one that matches that is this, and that's a nice regular metallic pattern of the particles close together. And then the second one is, well, we've got hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas is H2. So again, I'm looking for a gas, so it's got to be spread out, and it's got to have two atoms in the molecule, which is that one just there.